Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this quick video, I'll show you step-by-step how to enable two-factor authentication on your Fortnite account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming tips. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once you're there, click Sign In the top right corner. Choose your preferred login method. I'll log in using my email address. After you sign in, click on your profile name in the top right and then click Account from the drop-down. Now on the left-hand menu, click Password and Security. You might be asked to verify it's you. Just follow the prompt and press Continue. Scroll down until you see the two-factor authentication options: email authentication, SMS authentication, Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. You can enable any of these methods. Personally, I recommend SMS authentication. Just click Setup, type in your phone number, and enter the code that's sent to you. Once you enter the correct code, you'll see a confirmation message. Congrats! A 2FA is now enabled on your Fortnite account. Now, your account is much more secure. And you can even unlock the Boogie Down emote in Fortnite as a bonus. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.